Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video we solved the grammar rule. Now we will solve the example number 2 about the grammar rule, and the example number 2 is solve 3x minus 2y is equals to 1 and 2x minus 2x plus 3y is equals to 2 by Cramer's rule. The solution is a is equals to 3 minus 2 and 3, and x is equals to x and y, and b is equals to 1 and 2. We know that this is a, b, c and d, and this is m and n. Now we will find the a is equals to 3 minus 2 and 3, and the determinant of a is equals to 3 minus 2 and 3, and ax is equals to m, n, b and d. So the determinant will be equals to m, b, 1, 2, minus 2 and 3, and a y is equals to a, c, m and n, and the determinant of ay is equals to 1, 2, 3 and minus 2. Now we will solve this. This will be equals to 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 2. It will be equals to 9 minus 4, which is equals to 5. Now ax is equals to 1 into 3 minus 2 into 2. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. 3 into 2 minus 1 into minus 2. It will be equals to 6 plus 2, which is equals to 8. So we can say that x is equals to determinant of ax over determinant of a, and y is equals to determinant of ay over determinant of a. It will be equals to, the determinant of ax is equals to 7 and the determinant of a is equals to 5. Determinant of ay is equals to 8 and determinant of a is equals to 5. So x is equals to 7 by 5 and y is equals to 8 by 5. Here just we put the value of ax and the determinant of ax and determinant of ay and determinant of a, and all these value we already find all these value by the determinant method. So the example number 2 is solved. We just find the value of x and y. We solve the exercise in our next video, inshallah.